actually pop the thing on. And we may want to try one of the regular Emax batteries, such as this one, and see what that does. Oh, it turned on. That's cool. Great. Okay, so we know that works. So I'm going to take it off, stick it in sideways here. And then once it's in the right spot, this could be a disaster though. Let's see. It's hard to aim, if you will. I'm sure I'm just not doing this right. Anyway, it's hard to aim. But once you aim and it's in, you want to try to adjust the battery so that it is relatively smooth. We'll stick this thing over here.
Likey.